Hey guys, this blaster is probably the best Jolt Reskin ever, and dare I say, the most beautiful CNC full metal pistol size foam dart blaster I have ever handled. This is the Cuckoo now, or the Cuckoo in English. Thank you very much to Duncan for lending me his Cuckoo bird for review. Starting with some wise words from Mr. Bradley Phillips. Before you go typing down below, why does this thing exist? Not everything has to be about you. Clearly, this blaster is a collector's item and is not for everyone. Feels like something from the John Wick universe. Before we talk about how gorgeous this Cuckoo blaster by HeiLunMoWan is, let's check out its accuracy with a quick plinking test. It is hitting about 166 FPS with 1g regular worker darts, and about 156 FPS with 1.2g blue darts. The target is a metal spinning plate roughly the size of a Coca-Cola can. I'm going to try to hit it from about 15 meters away with a 1.2g blue dart. This blaster feels so good and cool in the hand. First attempt, let's go. And it's a hit. This Cuckoo is so accurate. Let's go inside to take a closer look at the blaster. The Cuckoo measures about 24 cm long, about 18 cm high, and about 3.5 cm wide. It weighs about 800 grams with the red dot sight and metal mount. Do note that it does not come with the red dot sight out of the box. This Cuckoo is high quality CNC full metal with a fall compensator covering the stubby B car, fiber optic iron sights, angled RMR mount, thumb rest, and pull-down priming bar disguised as an extended magazine. There is also a 3D printed foam dart holder sold separately, which can be mounted on the side of this blaster, but I feel it looks better without it. For the ASMR demonstration video with just the pure blaster sounds, the link is at the top right corner. Look at how gorgeous and detailed this Cuckoo is. There is something that you guys have to understand first. In order to achieve this exquisite and ergonomic form, and for it to still maintain a blaster's basic function to shoot short foam darts, compromises have to be made. It is impossible to make this thick and slim form factor while also making it accept magazines to hold standard size short darts and still have a respectable FPS. These are real-world limitations that cannot be broken. To prime the blaster, just hold the pistol grip firmly, grab the bottom part and make sure you have a good grip on it, and then pull it down and push it back. The Cuckoo comes with a weaker spring, but I did not try that. The slide release tab is ambidextrous. Press it and the slide will open to reveal the chamber and the beautiful barrel with a twisted pattern. By default, the slide has ratchets and it will make several clicks when opening and closing. But Duncan has chosen not to install the parts with ratchets, so the slide now opens and closes with one smooth motion and zero ratcheting sounds. I prefer it this way too. Put a short dart in, push the slide back in. Aim and fire off. The trigger is not bad, but as you can see from this close-up, there is this red long part which will pop out of the grip just a little bit every time you press the trigger. Honestly, it is a non-issue for me. As mentioned earlier, it is impossible to have this beautiful and slim form factor without sacrificing some functionality. If you want a well-balanced pistol-sized Springer blaster that has the metal feel and still takes magazines, you will be better off with something like a ZWQ Viper with full metal upgrades. But the metal Viper is huge and beefy compared to this blaster, and is no longer legal to import locally. This Cuckoo is truly the most beautiful and most ergonomic and comfortable pistol-sized blaster I've ever used. It is a classic case of min-maxing in the role-playing game, where you have already maxed out your character's level, with one skill point to functionality and the rest of the points into aesthetics and ergonomics. Although that one point in functionality still allows it to hit a 15-meter target very accurately. Long story short, this is the peak level of aesthetics and ergonomics a CNC full metal pistol-sized Springer blaster can achieve till date. The Cuckoo is first and foremost a work of art, and secondly, a functional jolt. The Cuckoo is absolutely a visual, audio and tactile treat. Truly a feast for the senses. But all these come at a price. It is selling for about 480 Singapore dollars at IFB, which makes it one of the most difficult blaster purchasing decisions I have to make. The Cuckoo is great for cosplay and for the wall display. It's very nice to handle, and fun and accurate for plinking. I will probably not bring this out for games, for fear of scratching or dropping it. This green and silver colour scheme is actually one of my favourites. It reminds me of Carol-Dim Gundam, my favourite Gundam from Mobile Suit Gundam 00 Season 2. The blaster was available in a variety of colour schemes when it was first released in China late last year, but I was told that most of them, including this green and silver one, are already sold out, which is kind of disappointing. Right now, I still can't make up my mind on whether I should get the Cuckoo or not. My heart says yes, but my brain says wait. But if a nice colour scheme such as the green and silver one becomes available again, I will seriously get it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review and found it a little bit helpful. Thank you and see you.